Hey guys, it's me, Cool Challenge and others again. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are not new, just like and comment down below what should I do. And if you're new, just subscribe, like, and comment down below what should I do on my video. And now I'm in pajamas, but I decided to do a video, and it's about slime. So this is one of my slimes I made with my friends. Here goes Mickey. She has a bell on her collar. And today's video is going to be two ways how to make slime. Two ways how to make slime bubbles. So let's get started on today's video. Okay guys, so the first way is, drum roll please. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. See, that's the reason why I'm not gonna do that. So the first way is you use a straw, and you make sure this is like in a ball type. So I'm gonna roll this into a ball. My hands are kind of green. This is supposed to be an olive green mixed with white slime. So yeah, so what you need is a straw and slime. That's all, really. And then you just blow. And there you have it, a slime bubble. But this time, since you guys can't already see it, I'm gonna restart. And if you guys don't know who this is inspired by, it's actually not inspired by anyone. I just saw it on this person's YouTube channel, but they did a really good job, and I liked it. So I'm gonna retry so you guys can see it, and I'm gonna scoot the camera back so you guys can see it way much better. And I'm using a snow globe. A snow globe as a stand. Okay, there. Now let's go. Then you poke a hole into the back of the slime. Make sure there's no holes in the back so the air could come out. And then you just perfect. And you guys can try this as much times as you need to. So yeah. That was a perfect one. Perfect. Didn't even stick to the gesture for that. So guys, let's go on to the last DIY. So this next DIY is, oh, camera slipper. Okay, so you're gonna flatten your thing, stretch it out, and make sure there's no holes. I have to stick that. Until it looks flat, like very flat. Like flat, like paper flat. I was making lots of slime in my shirt that I'm wearing and the pants that I'm wearing. These are my pajamas. These are my pajamas. And I actually wore this to a baseball game. I don't know why. And the person that I was voting for was the Orioles and the Royals, because on the Royals my friend was there. Oh, and this is how slime is supposed to look when it stops. And make sure it doesn't have any holes. If it actually has holes, then it won't work. As you guys see, I made a little hole right there. And see, look, when I do that, nothing works. So what you need to do is make sure there's no holes. And I actually have way more slime than this. And like this one. I have this one, which was mixed with 2 colors because it got mixed. I need to add more lotion into that one. And then this one that's starting to get hard, so I have to go add some lotion. Let me go add lotion to this one. I'll be right back. So guys, I just added lotion, but I didn't mix it in. So I'm mixing it in right now. It's getting better. But I'm going to keep it in my container. And this has way more slime to it. It's just that my sister wanted to borrow it, use some. So I let her use some. Yeah. So, ready? So, go. Ah! It takes me a long time to get this one done because this is the hardest one that I ever done before. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking and start focusing on this. Oh, guys, and one more thing. If I haven't been doing YouTube videos, well, it's because I've been focusing on my friend's birthday because her birthday is coming up soon. So I want you guys in the comments, well, her birthday is next month. But I want you guys to wish her a happy birthday. Yeah. So, yeah, go in the comment section and wish her a happy birthday. And this one is really hard to do because I've been practicing on this. So I could show you guys. My hair's very messy right now. Oh yeah. And here goes the bubble. And I know the bubble isn't that big. The bubble isn't that big. But is it rising? I feel like it is. I don't know what happens if I put a straw through it. Nope. Hold on, guys. Let me set you guys up so I can put the straw through it. So. OMG! That was amazing. So, there you guys have it. The two ways how to make a bubble out of slime. And the second one was really just supposed to be how you flatten it, and then while it's stretchy like this, and you just do that. And then it works. But just to let you guys know, I want to show you something so cool. So I'm going to use my sister's fan, and I'm going to make a bubble with the fan. So I'm going to bring you guys closer, and I'm going to set you guys over here. So you guys can see it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it out like, gotta be very careful. Spread it out, and then put it in front of the fan. And then a bubble kind of forms. It didn't work. So, yeah. There you guys have it. 2 ways how to make a bubble out of slime. See you guys on the next video of mine. And bye. Like and subscribe. What should I do? Ooh, make a bubble. That worked out awkwardly. Let's build another one. Darn, messed up. Let's retry. Oh, hurry. top.